In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Linktree as a complete beginner, step by step. If you've been thinking about creating a single page to share all your important links, products, and social media profiles but aren't sure where to start, this video is for you. We'll begin by creating your Linktree account, setting up your profile, and adding your first links and collections. Then, we'll customize the design, add products, and explore features that help you organize and showcase your content. After that, we'll learn how to grow our audience, analyze performance with insights, and explore useful tools like Social Planner, Instagram Auto Reply, Link Shortener, and AI-powered post ideas. We'll also review our Linktree, share it across different platforms, and explore a few more beginner-friendly features. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, go to the official Linktree website. Once you're there, click on the Sign Up Free button, and it will take you to the registration page. Here, you can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Apple account. In this tutorial, I'll sign up using a Google account. Once you select your Google account, you'll be taken to the next page. Here, choose a username for your Linktree account, and then click Continue. After that, Linktree may ask if you'd like to start a free trial. If you want to use the free trial, simply continue and enter your billing information. If not, you can skip it and continue with the free plan. Next, you'll be asked to set up your profile. Here, you can upload a profile picture, enter your name, and add a short bio or description. Once you've filled in the required information, click Continue, and your account will be created. Now, if you click on this Continue Building This Linktree option, you'll be taken to your Linktree dashboard. This is the main dashboard where you'll manage everything related to your Linktree profile. On the left side, you'll see different sections like Links, Shop, Design, Earn, Audience, and Insights. Below these, you'll also find additional tools like Business Cards, Social Planner, Instagram Auto Reply, Link Shortener, and Post Ideas. We'll go through the important sections one by one throughout this tutorial. Let's start with the Links section, because this is where you'll build your Linktree page. In the middle of the screen, you'll see a large Add button. Click on it, and a new window will appear with different content types that you can add to your Linktree. You can add a regular website link, create a collection of links, add products, and much more. For now, let's create our first regular link. Click on the Link option. Linktree will ask you to enter the destination URL. Simply paste the website or social media link that you want visitors to open. For example, you can paste your YouTube channel URL, select your YouTube channel, and Linktree will automatically add it to your profile. Once the link is added, you'll see the link settings section. Here, under What Happens When a Visitor Clicks, you can choose what action to perform. I'll select Open YouTube Channel. Below that, you'll also see the Ask to Subscribe option. If you want visitors to see a subscribe prompt before opening your channel, simply enable this option. Once you're done, the YouTube link will appear on your Linktree profile. Now let's add another link. Click on Add once again, choose Link, paste your Instagram profile URL, select any of the available options. Once you do that, the link will be added to your Linktree profile. Now, if you open the link settings, you'll notice that some options are grayed out because your Instagram account isn't connected yet. To connect it, click Connect Instagram Account, then click Connect again. You'll be taken to the Instagram authorization page. Simply grant the required permissions, and your Instagram account will be connected to your Linktree account. Once the connection is complete, the previously grayed out options will become available, and you can customize them as needed. One of the great things about Linktree is that every time you add a new link, you don't have to save anything manually. Your changes are saved automatically, making the editing process much faster. As you continue adding links, your Linktree page may become a little crowded. That's where collections become very useful. Click on Add once again and choose Collection. A collection lets you group similar links together under one expandable section. Give your collection a name such as My Social Links. Once the collection is created, simply drag your existing links into it or create new links directly inside the collection. This helps keep your Linktree organized and much easier for visitors to navigate. If you ever want to rearrange your links, simply hover your mouse over a link, click and hold it, then drag it to a new position. You can place your most important links at the very top so visitors see them first. This is especially useful if you want to promote a new YouTube video, product, or special offer. If you no longer want a particular link to appear on your page, you don't necessarily have to delete it. You can archive it instead. Click on View Archive to see links that you've previously archived. Archived links remain saved in your account and can easily be restored later whenever you need them. Throughout the entire process, keep an eye on the phone preview displayed on the right side of your dashboard. This shows exactly how your Linktree page will look to your visitors. Every change you make, whether it's adding a link, changing a title, or moving links around, is reflected instantly in the preview. You can also add a profile picture. Simply click on the Profile Picture section, choose an image from your computer, and upload it. Once the upload is complete, your profile picture will be added to your Linktree profile. Now that we've added our links, let's take a look at the Shop section. On the left side, click on Shop. This section allows you to showcase products directly on your Linktree page. At the top, you'll see an option to publish your shop. Once you've added products, you can enable this switch to make your shop visible to visitors. To add your first product, simply click on the Add button. Here you'll see two options, Collection and Linked Product. I'll select Linked Product. Next, enter the URL of your product. Once you've entered the link, select your product and it will be added to your Linktree profile. If you want to edit the product, simply click the Edit button. A settings window will open where you can customize your product by changing its name, price, description, and other details. You can also upload a product image to make it look more attractive. Once you've finished making your changes, click Save Changes. After the product has been added, simply enable the Publish Your Shop option to make it visible on your profile. If you look at the mobile preview on the right side, you'll see that a Shop section has been added to your Linktree profile. This is how your products will appear to visitors when they view your profile. Now let's move on to one of the most important parts of Linktree, the Design section. Click on Design from the left sidebar. This is where you can customize the overall appearance of your Linktree page and make it match your personal or business brand. First, open Theme. Here you can choose from different pre-designed themes that instantly change the overall look of your Linktree page. Simply click on any theme to preview it and select the one you like. Next, click on Header. This section lets you customize your profile by changing your profile picture, display name, bio, and adding your social media icons. Now open Wallpaper. Here you can change the background of your Linktree page by choosing a color, gradient, pattern, or uploading your own custom image. Next, click on Text. This allows you to change the font style used throughout your Linktree, helping you match the look of your personal or business brand. Now go to Buttons. Here you can customize how your links appear by changing the button shape, style, spacing, and other visual effects. After that, click on Colors. This section lets you personalize your page by changing the colors of your background, buttons, text, and other design elements. Next, open Stickers. If you want to make your Linktree more engaging, you can add fun stickers and decorative elements to give your page a unique look. Finally, click on Footer. This section contains the information displayed at the bottom of your Linktree page, where you can manage the available footer settings depending on your account. As you make changes, keep watching the live preview on the right side. This lets you instantly see how your Linktree will look before sharing it with your audience. Once all changes are made, click on Save option at the top right end and your changes will be saved. Now let's move on to the Earn section. Click on Earn from the left sidebar. This section is designed to help creators and businesses monetize their Linktree. Depending on your country and account type, you may see different earning options available. These features allow you to generate income directly from your Linktree page without needing a separate website. For example, you may find options for selling digital products, accepting bookings, offering online services, or connecting payment methods. If you're a coach, freelancer, designer, photographer, or consultant, this section can help you receive inquiries and even generate revenue directly through your Linktree profile. Now let's move to the Audience section. Click on Audience from the left menu. This section focuses on helping you build and manage your audience. Instead of simply sending visitors to your social media profiles, Linktree also allows you to collect valuable information and build stronger relationships with your followers. Inside this section, you'll find different tools such as subscribers, contact forms, bookings, and many more. If you click on Subscriber section, this feature lets visitors subscribe to your updates, helping you build an email list and stay connected with your audience. You can also enable email option here. Now, if we go back, you'll also see the contact form section. Click on it and you'll be taken to the link setup page, where you can choose the type of form you want to add to your profile. I'll select the email form. Next, customize the form however you like. If you want to add another field, click Add Field and choose the field you want. For this tutorial, I'll add the name field. Once you've finished customizing the form, click Done. Your contact form link will be created and added to your Linktree profile. Now, let's go back to the audience section. Here, you'll also find other options, such as download digital product and several other tools. You can explore and use these features based on your needs. For this tutorial, I'll skip these options since they depend on what you want to add to your profile. Now, let's explore the Insights section. Click on Insights. This is where Linktree provides analytics about your profile's performance. Analytics are extremely important because they help you understand how visitors interact with your Linktree. Inside Insights, you'll be able to see useful information such as the total number of profile views, total clicks, visitor activity, and which links receive the most engagement. For example, if your YouTube link receives significantly more clicks than your Instagram link, you'll know that your audience is more interested in your videos. You can then move that link higher on your page to make it even more visible. If you're using Linktree for business, these insights can also help you measure marketing campaigns and understand which platforms are sending the most traffic. Now let's explore some of the additional tools that Linktree provides. First, click on Business Cards. This feature allows you to create a digital business card that you can easily share with clients, customers, or anyone you meet. Instead of handing out a traditional paper business card, you can create a digital version containing your name, profile picture, contact information, social media accounts, website, and other important details. Depending on your account, you may also have the option to generate a QR code, making it even easier for people to scan and save your contact information directly to their phone. Next, let's look at the Social Planner. Click on Social Planner from the sidebar. This tool is designed to help you plan and organize your social media content. If you click the Start Planning Today option, you'll be taken to Linktree's planning tool. Once you're there, click Create Post and choose the social media platform you want to post to. This will open the post editor. Here, you can create your post by uploading images and adding a caption or description. Once your post is ready, click the Schedule Post option at the bottom left. From here, you can save as draft, post now, or choose a custom time to schedule your post. This is a useful feature if you want to plan and schedule your social media content directly from Linktree. Now, let's head back to the Linktree dashboard. Now let's take a look at the Instagram Auto Reply feature. Click on Instagram Auto Reply from the left sidebar. If this is your first time using it, you'll first need to connect your Instagram account by following the on-screen instructions and granting the required permissions. Now, click on New Auto Reply and a setup window will appear. First, choose your trigger. You'll see options such as one specific post, all posts only, or next post only. For this tutorial, I'll select All Posts Only and click Next. Next, choose the trigger type to decide when the auto reply should be sent. I'll select any comment and click Next. Now, customize your direct message. If you already have a message prepared, simply paste it here and make any changes you want. Once you're done, click Next. In the next step, choose which link or product you want to include in the DM. Select your preferred product and continue. Finally, you'll see a preview of all your settings, including the auto reply message. Review everything to make sure it's correct, then click Complete. Your new auto reply will now be created and ready to use. Now, let's look at Link Shortener. Click on Link Shortener from the left sidebar. This feature lets you create shorter, cleaner, and easier to share links. Simply click on Shorten a Link. This will take you to Linktree's built-in link shortener. Here, paste the long URL you want to shorten, and within a few seconds, Linktree will generate a shortened link for you. You can then copy the shortened URL, and it will also automatically create a QR code that you can download or share. Now let's take a quick look at Post Ideas. Click on Post Ideas. This is Linktree's AI-powered content assistant. If you're running out of ideas for your next post, this tool can help generate content inspiration based on your niche. Now, click on Generate Ideas, and it will take you to the Ideas Generator page. First, choose what you want ideas for. For this tutorial, I'll select video hooks. Next, choose your area of interest. I'll search for YouTuber and select YouTuber Content Creator. Once you've made your selections, click Get Ideas. Wait a few seconds, and Linktree will generate a variety of content ideas that you can use for your next video. This is a great feature if you're looking for inspiration or running out of content ideas. Now that we've explored the main features, let's make sure everything is ready before sharing our Linktree. Go back to the links section and carefully review your page. Check that every link opens the correct website, every title is clear, and your collections are properly organized. Now it's time to share your Linktree. Simply click on this share button at the top right and copy your Linktree URL from your profile and start adding it to your online platforms. You can place it in your Instagram bio, TikTok profile, YouTube channel description, Facebook page, LinkedIn profile, X account, email signature, or even share it directly with clients and customers. And that's how you can use Linktree as a complete beginner. Once you become comfortable with these features, you'll be able to build a professional Linktree page that not only looks great, but also helps you grow your audience, promote your content, and share everything important from one simple link. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.